Aparasha diskau itunga luko ka prebion kakatakwi ay mulat luko Karamoja kesa de los siebe amamona yuara na los kinam eje kina tengara no kelimoros eraban lo council lo Kotido district Emmanuel Lodio ngesepale be ejokaimo iwaitin lo itemo kina yuara na.
We need to really look for the real cause for something that has caused these raids, because government saying Karamojongs are raiding themselves. Karamojongs are stealing what has brought the insecurity in Karamoja, because the situation is now alarming. It is no longer the Karamoja issue. It is no longer the Karamoja issue. It is the national issue, because this raiding has now come from the cows to the roads. Remember, it is something to be condemned, and government should come. Government should come with an intervention to stop what is happening in Karamoja, because it is going to affect the whole country and it will affect the whole world.
Eraban lo distrikta lo moroto sisa akol ngesebalebe eipone diopelo aya na ipuch nesa Aibeliar ngatakalu
robo chana ragitia na epolo robete epolo gogwevelo so itana hwana emorikno wonda dang ikotere anyuna te ptongolo edile kagnere akrono. Yeah, so far inside Karamoja it's not as normal as we really want to say, because people are dying on a daily basis. And we have wrong elements in the community, in all communities, by the way. Across Karamoja region, we have wrong elements.
Kosodi John Bosco Agilu Eraban lo distrikta lo napak ngesebala isomanara kesi kedengare no kolwa dokena lwegelegela kanwaini na una ipuch.
This insecurity actually has affected most of our neighboring districts, like Katakwi, Kapelbiong, and Amuria, part of it. We as leaders in the region, in the sub-region, we are trying to work and make sure that we work together with the security team. We see how we can get these culprits. Recent, the leadership of Erabak in Mabusens visited Kapelbiong, the place called Kirik, where they also have chairperson, the DISO, and our new deputy resident district commissioner visited the escape. But the purpose of that meeting was to find and make sure that we, the Etasos, people of Kapelbiong and people of Erabak, they are together. But you know, one frog spoils the whole water.
Dilax Emi Alomu, Loma Kizito, TV East, Karamoja.